Hi everyone, and welcome to my Sunday reset routine. I love watching Sunday reset routines by other YouTubers, and so here is my first one ever on my own YouTube channel. I wish to share with you how I enjoy resetting myself on this particular Sunday as we slowly finish one week and start to prepare for another one. On my YouTube channel, you will find that I mention the word supportive rituals quite often, and what I mean when I mention the word rituals is something that you do that is meaningful and intentional to you, and something that you do regularly and repetitively, and it's something that would bring you support throughout your day or throughout the week. So that is what I would mean when I use the word rituals. So here I am sharing with you some of my rituals that helped me on this particular Sunday. As to be honest with you, not every Sunday will ever look the same. I suppose it is always dependent on what you need at that moment too. My full-time role at work is as a psychologist, and I find with a lot of my clients, they forget to check in with themselves and ask themselves a very simple yet important question, which goes, what do you need today? I guess I would be lying if I tell you that I don't do this, because I do forget to ask myself this question as well. And as I reflect as well, maybe why I miss on asking this question, it would go down to how life has become so fast paced. It has become too much, and sometimes we just forget to check in with ourselves and see what we need for ourselves, and then this actually could turn into a cycle, into a vicious cycle, where we also reject support or not reach out from those around us. So supportive rituals can be a gentle reminder to ourselves on checking in and taking a moment and breathing and reflecting and becoming aware of what it is that you need as support for yourself today. I suppose with support, it's not only looking for support externally, but also internally too. I think that is very important. I mean, if you're not going to support yourself, how are you then going to attract support as well from others and even know how to receive support too? So I guess it's so important to see what you can give to yourself first of all. And again, not every Sunday, because we're talking about Sunday reset routine right now, not every Sunday might require the same rituals. So do not be so rigid with the rituals that you set for yourself, and allow yourself to be flexible with supporting yourself too. So this particular Sunday, if I had to reflect on my Sunday, was that I gave myself the time and space to working out and moving my body. And this is a goal of mine this year to keep throughout, to take care of my body and focus on movement. I joined the gym, which I never thought I would do, but I'm appreciating my body and strengthening it. I'm becoming more aware of how meaningful it is to see strength in oneself, and this is so supportive to one's overall health. I then drove and parked my car in a quiet space and picked up my book and got lost in a story. Currently, I'm reading Lessons in Chemistry by Bonnie Garms, and I'm not reading it so fast because it's so intense, but I'm enjoying it nonetheless. By the way, before I continue, so far from what I have shared, can you identify some supportive rituals you enjoy doing on a Sunday? And are you reading anything at the moment? I was grateful to have given myself the time and space to read in my car. I appreciated the time on my own too. I then did our weekly food shop, as I have found a new food shop that is called Eurospin, and I absolutely love their fridge item selections, and the prices are very friendly too. I then did a little self-care routine with some added steps in my shower routine, where I did a face mask and a relaxing body scrub. Again, taking care of our bodies is so important to our well-being. It's the little things sometimes that are enough. For Sunday lunch, we just heated a chicken and some potatoes that I bought from Eurospin. Such a great bargain, and it was so good. It might not have been the healthiest, but that's what we wanted, and it's okay. And we had them whilst watching Grey's Anatomy. I never had watched this show before, but we just finished season 5. A priority was also to remove the Christmas decorations. Yet I also see that cleaning and tidying the house is a supportive ritual of mine. as tidying up my environment, my home, is so important. I find clutter only makes me very anxious, and so our home needed a bit of a reset, even though it does look quite bare at the moment without the decorations, I must say. I tried to put the decorations away neatly in the boxes, and I stored them away in a way that I could easily find the decorations for next Christmas. It's crazy to think that by next Christmas, Luke and I will actually be married. That's a story for another video. Something else that I love to do as a supportive ritual is spending time with our cats. We have 2 cats called Bailey and Betty. However, at the moment, one of our cats, Betty, is a little unwell. Well, we soon have to actually neuter her, and we'll do a blood test as well, as the vet is suspecting that she has an immune system disorder. And if this is so, she might get sick often, which since we got her last August, she actually has been getting quite sick. We regularly have had to give her antibiotics, steroids, and right now we're also giving her a round of antibiotics, probiotics, and vitamins. To be fair, because we have had to give her so much medication in our hands, she has actually gotten so used to and feels so comfortable to be in our hands. Luke and I have a system when we have to give her medication, so thank goodness it's not so bad. Hoping she gets better and hope the blood test will be okay. At the end of the day, all I wanted to do after I saw the place was tidy, all my clothes were put away. Let's have a bit of a rant about laundry because I'm getting tired of it. It never freaking ends. And I can only imagine how it would be with kids. But anyways, rant over. After everything was done, with tidying up the house, all I needed was a cup of tea, some sofa time, and some more reading. So my message to you all is, besides getting a cat, because I believe cats' pets are therapeutic, but besides all of that, besides Betty being so cute, my message to you all is to give yourselves the time and space. Do not wait for it to come or for it to be given to you, but rather find it for yourself. Ask for it yourself if you need to, and take it for you, and fill it with whatever you need it to be filled with. Be gentle with yourselves, nourish yourselves. Every small step towards self-care and awareness can make a very big difference. You're doing the best that you can, and that is enough. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed my Sunday reset routine and my reflections and messages to all of you. I would love to hear any feedback, so do let me know in the comments down below. And if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, it would mean a lot to me if you'd press the subscribe button. And don't forget to set some supportive rituals. But that's all from me today. Take care, guys, and hope you have a lovely day.